How does it make me watch? I don't understand. Okay, interesting. Thank you, Airborne Monkey. You're sufficiently retarded. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Crypto Community Book. We're going to do another macro update. So, first, we got to get into a disclaimer. Don't do what we do, or none of this is financial advice. Don't do what we do, or a cheetah will make you watch while it eats your children. That's why. How does it make me watch? I don't understand. Okay, interesting. Thank you, Airborne Monkey. You're sufficiently retarded. Anyway, let's get into it. So, the traditional markets down today. The S&P is down over 1%. Dow Jones almost 1%. Gold 1.62%. 10-year Treasury down 6.9 basis points to 2.837%. So the stocks are fearful because of the COVID outbreak in China. And there's, of course, the continued worries over the Fed's monetary policy. Asian stocks are down. U.S. dollar strengthening over other currencies. Macron won his second term in France. This is supposed to be good for stocks. Bank of America has forecasted that GDP's growth is down, will be down to 4.2% from 4.8% this year. So not looking good for China, especially with the COVID. West Texas crude oil futures fell 4%. And that was a result of the logistics over China's COVID crackdown. Earnings, a lot of earnings this week. Today's earnings, you can see here, Coca, Canon, Whirlpool, Phillips, Otis, Ameriprise, Financial Crown, Universal Health Services, Activision, Coca-Cola beat its expectations. So I hope the rest go well too. This was the fourth week of red candles. A contributor from the Dow Capital Group shared a Reddit user's post. Apparently his name's Kbrot, adding that this would be the fifth red week for BTC in a row, something crypto hasn't done since 2014. That makes a bounce off earnings seem well within reason, and we'd have to see what resistance it meets after that should occur. More big earnings: Google, Facebook, Apple, Amazon. All right, let's go through the Bitcoin news. Australia's first Bitcoin ETF could attract $1 billion after launch. That's something to look out for. And what do we have next is the balance of, this is from MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy CEO dismisses rumors about the company selling its Bitcoin holdings. It was from this wallet, and Michael Saylor says, no, we have to disclose everything to the SEC. That's not us. First mover, Bitcoin death cross. Yeah, so big fears over the death cross. Watching to see if the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day. Big news: Central African Republic becomes the first African country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Let's fucking go. Hey, please, a lot of you watch and you don't subscribe. Subscribe. Costs you nothing. Maybe your dignity. Subscribe, like, put the notification bell so you can see our updates in a timely manner. And please comment. And the US dollar against Bitcoin is up slightly, 25.41 sats. And let's look at the long and short ratio. Pretty even this week, huh? That's interesting. The longs are down a little bit from the last time we looked. Bitcoin's balance on exchanges, for the most part, it appears that there's more outflows than inflows, except for Binance. Interesting. And oh, this was just another look at the exchange balances. We'll just stick with the last one. And the Bitcoin dominance is at 65.32%. This is the real dominance index, only proof of work. These coins that it's measured against, and not all the new shit chains that pop up have this mercenary capital, and then it adds all this um, false market cap against the reach of Bitcoin. It's really a marketing gimmick. So I like to look at the real Bitcoin dominance. Still has some weaknesses here, but we'll use this for now. Okay, and that is it. That's hold on. Let's make sure I didn't forget anything here. There's no news in tarot today. Oh, the numbers. So we have um, just below 40K for the price of Bitcoin. Let's make sure that is still accurate. That was this morning. And yeah, it's still below 40K. Okay. Treasuries. And the reason I'm not going to dashboard is I just want to make it quick. Over 1.6 million BTC in corporate treasuries, 8.73%. Over 15,000 nodes, 200.8 exahashes per second. I think I forgot to mention that the Bitcoin supply that's been dormant for a year or more is at all-time highs, and the Bitcoin hash rate and difficulty is nearing the all-time highs this week. So there goes your hash rate there. We just went through all of that, and that is it. So thank you and have a good day.